How to contact customer service on Priceline. Hey, welcome. So today I'll be teaching you how to contact customer service on Priceline. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So now what you have to do is to make sure that you have a Priceline account already. So you open the Priceline app on your mobile phone, and this is the exact interface you're going to see. At the top right corner you see the hotels icon. After that is the cars icon, and at the top left corner you see the flight icon. Also at the lower part of your screen you see the book icon, you see the my trips icon, you see the notification icon, and you see three dots indicating more option icon. So you can just scroll down the page to have an overview of what Priceline is all about. So now, to contact the customer service in Priceline, all you have to do is to look at the lower part of your screen, where at the lower left corner of your screen where you have three dots, click on the three dots and a drop down will be displayed on your screen. The first thing you're going to see on the drop down says sign out, text us, and so on. So you can just look at the page very well till you see the frequently asked questions. So you click on the frequently asked questions, which is the second to the last option on the drop down. So you click on it, and you have to be patient because you'll be directed to another page to see several questions that have been asked frequently. So here you'll be directed to the help center, and the first thing you're going to see on this page is the help center, the question, how can I help you? So after the question, you see a search box made available for you to search out, for you to type your complaints or the problem you're facing using the app. Okay, so you click on the search box and you type out the particular help that you want to get from the customer service. So once you're done typing in the question or the complaint, you click on the enter button. Then several options or several answers or articles that are helpful will be displayed right on your screen. So make sure you follow the instructions or read the articles that will be displayed right on your screens. Okay, so this is simply how to contact customer service in Priceline. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.